Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police on Scene, and the title of the video is called "Very Strange Man Catcalls Passengers at the Airport." Dang, I feel like most of these videos today is about the airport. What the heck is going on at the airport, man? I go to the airport, ain't nothing going down. Nothing. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about here.
On November 6th, 2023, the Tampa Airport Police Department was called to the airport regarding a man in need of assistance. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
What's going on?
He's just walking around talking shit to people. He's like, get to people's faces. What he said, get him before I knock him out. What he said, he just came up to me. He's like, hey, what's up, man? How are you? Like.
Relax. I'm good. What's going on, sir? I'm Officer Vasquez from the Airport Police. What's going on?
I'm waiting for my wife.
You waiting for your wife? So why is that guy saying... I don't know what happened between you two. We're trying to figure it out.
Because he's...
You're telling us.
No, I'm asking you.
I don't know.
We're not here. That's why we're asking you.
Speaking of pedos, look at this guy. Jesus Christ.
So you're not going to tell us what happened? Okay. Now you're telling us. Okay. So is that what happened? And then what happened after? Did you exchange, sir? Sir.
What's going on? You're acting very strange. I'm gonna be honest. You are acting very strange.
Are you going to talk or not?
He's acting, maybe I'm homosexual, whatever. But he's acting like I'm a homosexual. But he's actually, like, crazy. So I'm sorry. Okay, sorry.
Did you come in on a flight, sir? You just came in?
Yeah.
Who's picking you up?
You want it right now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, whatever you need to get. What are you trying to get?
come on.
Okay.
For ride app pickup, please proceed to the
What's going on?
Express arrivals curve to
Okay,
meet your
number
ride.
one, you guys are both acting like dicks. Okay? I'm sorry that maybe I am not like, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not like the most heterosexual guy. Maybe you're super right? Okay.
My man, you have ID? You have ID on you? Don't put your finger in my face. Do you have ID on you, sir? Do you have ID, sir? Alright. What are you gonna aim?
Note on the tag, subject's extremely intoxicated.
No, I'm not actually.
Sir, we can't let... So this is the thing, sir. I'm not leaving you here in the airport acting the way you're going to act right now. Okay, so listen, are you going to listen to me? I'm talking. Okay. So there's two things that are going to happen.
Number one,
I'm going to talk.
Number one.
My man, you need to relax. Relax, dude. You need to relax.
Okay, number one.
Don't put your hands in my face. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay,
have a seat.
May I ask
Sit
you?
down.
Jesus Christ, man.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Why can't I ask you?
Have anyone come over here, please?
I just want to go home.
So there's going to be two...
Listen, y'all, come on, cops. Y'all giving him what he wants. You know he like it rough. Hey, yo! Hey, yo! You know he like that, boy. You know he like that. What? Man, get out of here. This is him right here, man. This is him. Hold on. We gonna get to it, man. We gonna get to it right now.
Yeah, I love this drink. I like when you like this, Daddy.
Wait.
I like when you like this, Daddy. Daddy, I like when you scrambling and scraping for shit. I like that. I like when you like this, Daddy. Daddy, I like when you scrambling and scraping for shit.
Come on, man. You know this guy is like, come on, man. You can't do you scrambling and scraping. Like
Choices I'm going to give you.
Okay.
You're going to get trespassed, and I'm going to put you under arrest if you don't leave, or you're going to figure out who's going to pick you up, and you're going to leave the airport. So, who's going to pick you up, or you're going to get trespassed and you're going to get placed under arrest? Because you're drunk, you're acting strange, and you're getting in my face.
He's talking to me. Don't look at me. He's talking to me. Do you understand what he said?
I have no idea. We can.
Do you understand what he said? We can play this game all day.
The AOM's coming. Okay. So, like I said, you had two choices, and I gave them to both of you. So, either you figure out how you're going to get out of here, or I'm going to have an AOM come and trespass you and place under arrest.
Because this guy is like super heterosexual, so you guys have.
You're acting strange, you're drunk, I smell the alcohol on your breath, and like I said, you can't behave. So you're not staying here at the airport.
Come give me a. Come fucking smell me.
Nope.
Hi. You're awesome. I love you.
That's probably what he did to the other guy, and that's why.
Yeah.
My man, you better start figuring out where you're going to go. Because when the manager comes here and trespasses you and you don't leave, I'm going to put you under arrest. So, just a heads up, that's what's coming next.
I'm literally doing nothing.
124. You going to figure out where you're going to go? No. Okay, no problem.
I'm literally doing nothing.
You were bothering customers.
No, I'm literally.
Again, you're drunk and you're talking. I just saw you talk to somebody out of nowhere.
I'm sitting
and you're acting real strange.
Hello. I'm literally saying nothing. No, I'm just literally sitting here. I'm sitting here.
Who's picking you up, sir? Who's picking you up? How are you leaving?
Don't worry about it.
I am worrying about it.
Really?
I am worrying about it. Because when I have passengers coming up to me telling me you're acting weird and I talk to you and you're acting weird and drunk, you're not staying here at the airport. How are you going to leave the airport, sir?
Get the fuck out of the airport. Seriously. Let me sit here.
No, I'm not letting you sit here because you can't behave.
I'm sorry. What location?
How are you leaving, sir? Okay, that's no problem. Like I said, when the airport manager comes and trespasses you, I'm gonna place you under arrest.
You're a fucking great airport manager. Yes, you are.
I'm not an airport manager. I'm a police officer. The airport manager is going to trespass you, and then I'm going to arrest you. So, you can never say that I didn't tell you.
What the hell?
You need to leave the airport. So, pick up that phone and figure out how you're going to
I'm
leave.
happy to do that.
So, do that now.
No, you're a fucking asshole.
That's
Fuck
fine.
You.
You still have to leave.
I'll let you tell me that.
Okay. So here's your options.
Okay. If you get the fuck out of here,
No, he's gonna stay here because I've got the house. Okay. So here's your options. You need to leave, and you need to figure out how you're gonna leave. It's either gonna be an Uber. You have somebody pick you up. Or when
I have so many options.
10-4. Yeah, I'm about to just trespass him myself. All right, there we go.
Yeah, no.
one way or another.
Okay, so the AOM's not responding.
Okay,
so listen to me.
Get the fuck out because you're acting like an asshole. This guy's an asshole.
All right. Sir, right now you're being trespassed from the Tampa International Airport. You don't have legit business here and you're causing disturbance.
Okay.
So you're being trespassed. You can't be here without business for a year. You're not allowed to be at the airport right now. So that being said, that you're not allowed to be at the airport anymore because you're being trespassed. You're going to make arrangements to leave the airport right now, or I'm going to place you under arrest for trespassing.
Seriously, you guys see this? You see this? Hey, you guys see this shit? Jesus Christ.
Did you hear me? Are you going to make arrangements for yourself to leave the airport?
I don't care what you fucking
All right,
do.
you're under arrest. Give me your hand. Don't resist. Stand up.
Okay, stop.
Dude,
Okay,
you're going to get
listen.
charged with resisting arrest.
Okay.
You see, he like talking to them kids. Before we even get into the action, you see, he like talking to them kids, boy. Oh, man.
Seriously, you guys see this? You see this? Hey, you guys see this shit? Jesus Christ.
Did you hear me? Are you going to make arrangements for yourself to leave the airport?
I don't care what you fucking
All right,
do.
you're under arrest. Give me your hand. Don't resist. Stand up.
Okay, stop.
Dude,
Okay,
you're going to get
listen.
charged with resisting arrest.
Okay, listen.
Stand up and put your hands
Listen.
behind your back and get charged
Both of
with
you
resisting
guys.
arrest.
Ow! Why the fuck are you hurting me, man? Why the fuck are you hurting me? Jesus Christ. Okay, why the fuck are you hurting me?
Why are you resisting when we're telling you to stop resisting?
You're going to get an additional charge for resisting arrest.
Sure. You know what?
Once when we're 10-4 here, it's going to be 10-15.
Let me sit down. Sit down.
I hurt, man. I hurt.
Where do you hurt?
I got a double lock.
Okay, bring.
What's this, brother?
What?
Sunglasses.
There's nothing. I have nothing. Bring
How do I get in
something
here?
so I can sit down, okay? Listen, I'm asking you.
There's no more asking or telling me to do anything, sir.
Really?
You're under arrest.
Really? Do something nice. Bring something here so I can sit down, man.
Where are you hurt? Are you hurting in your leg? Are you going to talk to me or not?
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
Home. My wife.
You could have gone home. We were trying to figure that out. He's going to transport for us.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay. Can we stop? 1 second. Hey.
I got the name and date of birth. Just give me a second. Come on.
Stop. Please pick up everything.
Yeah, everything's getting picked up. I'm going to toss him again before Yeah.
What? You want to
Jeffrey, you got anything on me that's going to... You want to do it?
Here, back it up. Back it up.
All right, come. Jeffrey, sit down.
Have a seat, Jeffrey, over here. Okay. Can we...
Climb up in there, buddy. Watch your head when you get in.
Good.
Watch your head when you get in.
May I... Hold on. I feel like I'm getting hurt here.
You're not.
Please don't hurt me.
That's
Okay.
not needed. You're not
Okay.
getting hurt.
May I get up in there?
Be careful with your head.
Okay. Ready? Will you please pull him away?
No.
No, he's been really mean.
Jeffrey, sit down. We're not playing anymore. Come on.
God. Damn it. That hurts, man. Come on.
So slide your legs in.
Come on, man.
Let me grab this.
If you come over here, I'll tell you.
Is he just flying in or whatever?
Yeah, he was bothering a customer. The guy flags us down and says he just came up to him and started talking to him. And we started talking to him, and he's immediately telling us he's being crazy. Totally crazy and doesn't want to leave. So
Just because of intoxication or? We don't know.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty.
Yeah, he guilty. I ain't trying to hear that. He guilty. Guilty as charged. What? I mean, I think the cops I think the cops did all right. They did all right. I give them a 3. They ain't do nothing outstanding, satisfactory. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I feel like they gave him a good amount of chances and stuff like that or whatever. And I don't know. I give him a 3, 4, somewhere in there, 3.5, something like that. I don't know. You let me know in the comment section what you rated him. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, I mean, 3.5, 3.54, somewhere like that.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.